What are you making of the formula that's been put out, the 30-30-30, 30-30-40 formulation? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? What are your thoughts?
See, actually, there are mixed feelings because definitely the formula definitely it must be difficult for the CBSE board also to pull out a formula and imply it. And I am happy when I'm happy about the formula and. Because I definitely feel, the gradual performance of the child, it's going to be the child who is consistent in their work will be getting scoring good. And we had fears, like we had our inhibitions initially, that some child who was not who was an undeserving child might get better marks. But then looking at the formula, I'm happy with the formula, because but then definitely I agree to the point that maybe class 10 marks, the weightage, the percentage weightage might can be reduced if
Now,
it is
Dr.
possible.
Bhardwaj, you've
But then
said that
they
those
will be paid.
students who don't like this formula or think it hasn't done them justice can take an exam later. Now that COVID numbers are coming under control, do you have
Yeah.
any sense at this moment of when this re-exam can happen?
But then, as you see,
No,
it will.
Dr.
first of all,
Bhardwaj.
I would just like to let you know two things. Yeah. First of all, I would just like to let you know two things. One is the concern regarding class 10th, and the another one is class 11th. While addressing the concern of class 10th, what has been done, we are going for the aggregate of the 3 best marks. That will certainly eliminate the issues which the students might be thinking. Same way, in class 11th, we have taken care of the moderation part, which would be in the hand of the result committee. So the whatsoever is the issue pertaining to class 11th, that will be eliminated with the help of the result committee and the moderation. Now, as far as the conduct of examination is concerned, we are planning that soon the result will be declared. We will be asking the student to get themselves registered on the board's website, and if and the condition permits, we will conduct the examination.
Yeah, definitely. I went through the formula, the assessment thing, the criteria. I went through it, and actually, see, definitely there will be some kids who will be benefited with inclusion of the 10th marks, and there will be some students who will be benefited with the 11th class marks.
Okay.
Definitely,
Dr.
because
Bhardwaj, you've had a
class
chance
12
to, are you okay? You've clearly been under a lot of stress and pressure.
So, what is the issue? No. So, the issue is that soon the result is declared. We will request the student to come and register on our website, and thereafter we will be making the effort to conduct the examination even in the month of August only, and declare the result immediately after that. And what I am thinking that there won't be more students.
Okay, he's clearly under stress. Nina, call.
Student who would be coming for the.
I don't want to get you to talk when you're coughing in the way. Just have some water, and hopefully you'll be fine. The CBSE has also been under stress. It's the kind of exam the CBSE has been put through, Rajendra.